8 tips for wealth creation. Every financial strategy is designed to generate wealth. Humans have a natural desire to create wealth from a young age. Most people are positive that they want to make a lot of money even before starting a job or finding their interest in life. Here are a few ideas to help you create wealth or increase what you already have. What is the concept of wealth creation? Many people erroneously believe that their salary equals wealth formation. The two, however, are not the same. Your monthly salary is the amount of money you receive from your job or company. This is basically a fixed sum that is credited to your account for the job or sales you make. You create wealth when you take this money and invest it in other ways to expand it over time. Assets, land, retirement accounts, inherited properties, gold and precious metals, and so on are all examples of wealth formation. Investing in these instruments helps you to increase your financial value over time. Wealth may be created in a variety of ways, including asset appreciation or returns from investments in stocks, shares, mutual funds, and other securities. 8 basic wealth building techniques. Number 1, prioritize your goals. The affluent people you see and strive to be aren't necessarily born with a silver spoon in their mouth. They do, however, believe in achieving the right objectives. Setting objectives is the first and most important move in accumulating wealth. Setting the right target, whether it's for your retirement, home, investments, or even an emergency fund, is the first step towards building wealth. You may use a savings targets calculator to make the process simpler. Number 2, put your money to work. How many millionaires do you know who have become wealthy by investing in savings accounts? I rest my case. Famous American businessman Robert G. Allen once quoted, "Saving a portion of your paycheck per month in a savings account is not the way to create wealth. Although getting an emergency fund is critical, you should also spend a portion of your profits." 401ks and Roth IRAs are excellent opportunities for saving and investing. In reality, most employers match a portion of their workers' 401k contributions, giving you a double advantage for your retirement. Adding stocks and bonds to your portfolio will help you generate even more revenue. It's also important to begin investing as soon as possible in your career. Number 3, keep your credit score up. And though everybody is aware of the issues that come with debt, people can't seem to get out of it. Debt not only pushes you further away from your financial goals each month, but it also has an impact on your credit score. At the end of each month, aim to stop the credit card debt loop. Maintaining your credit score is crucial to building wealth because it can lead to lower interest rates on mortgages and loans. Number 4, increase your income from a different source. Having multiple sources of income will greatly contribute to wealth creation and help you to achieve your financial goals more quickly. There are many advantages of living in a virtual environment that previous generations did not have. There are a number of websites where you can sign up to work as a freelancer. You can use social media, blogs, or even start a side business to turn your hobby into a second source of income. You should not overwork yourself or jeopardize the quality of your life, but if you do have any spare time, look into wealth building strategies to supplement your income. Number 5, have a steady job. Employee turnover rates are high, meaning that people nowadays tend to change jobs several times during their careers. Moving to a higher paying career is a smart idea as long as you don't jeopardize your job security. Strive to ensure a stable stream of income and pension benefits. When changing jobs, research the company's 401k program and look for incentives rather than increase in pay. It is always a good idea to work with a business that provides retirement benefits, so that you don't have to tap into your emergency fund. Just leave your job if you have a new one lined up. Number 6, make your portfolio more diverse. Having multiple sources of income, as well as multiple savings, is one of the most successful wealth building strategies available. Diversification is based on the concept of not placing all your eggs in one basket. Consider various options when putting together your portfolio, such as real estate, stocks, shares, mutual funds, and so on. Diversification lowers the risk of failure while also increasing the potential for big profits. Number 7, gain a better understanding of how to manage your money. It's not only about making more money, it's also about handling it properly. Increased living costs should not be the product of a rise in pay. Rather, it could lead to more savings and investments. Contribute a small portion of your new income to your living costs, but save the remainder for savings. Number 8, make a real estate investment. Real estate is an excellent way to add zeros to your net worth. Investing in the right kind of land, though it can be a little tricky, can pay off handsomely. Consult a licensed realtor before investing in assets that can be sold at a profit later. Traditional wealth building techniques take longer than real estate to boost your net worth. To summarize, in the long run, following these easy tips will help you increase your net worth. Finding the right balance between conventional saving strategies and taking measured investment risks is the key to building wealth. The idea is to be consistent and prudent, as well as to employ the necessary wealth building strategies. Do you believe you're on the right track to accumulating wealth? For more information, speak to a financial advisor today. If you want to know more financial tips like these, make sure to give this video a like and click subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.